Hello everyone! Marami ang nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit ko pinapakain ang mga stray cats dito sa aming community every morning and every afternoon. Makikita nyo akong nagpapakain sa kanila. Some people admire what I do, but others ask, why do you feed them? Stray cats lang naman sila. Minsan, may mga pusang nasasagasaan o nasasaktan at parang wala lang sa ibang tao. Pero para sa akin, hindi sila stray cat lang. They are living beings. They feel hunger, fear, pain, and loneliness. Just like us, they want to live. Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang matandang pusa na may sakit. He was weak and struggling to survive. Araw-araw ko siyang pinapakain hanggang sa gumaling siya at lumakas. Then another cat came and another. Hanggang sa dumami sila. Marami ang tumitingin sa kanila bilang salot. Some people get annoyed because they enter yards or look for food anywhere they can. Pero kung iisipin natin, ginagawa lang nila yon para mabuhay. They are not bad animals. They are simply trying to survive. Kaya ako gumawa ng content. I want people to see them differently. Hindi man natin kayang pakainin ang lahat ng stray cats. Sana matutunan nating huwag silang saktan. A little kindness can mean everything to them. Wala silang boses para ipagtanggol ang sarili nila. So I decided to be their voice. Hindi ko kayang iligtas ang lahat ng pusang nasa lansangan. But I can help the ones that cross my path. Alam kong may mga taong hindi sang-ayon sa ginagawa ko. Some people worry because the number of cats keeps growing. And honestly, I understand that. Kaya isa sa mga pangarap ko ay maipakapon sila one by one. I'm just waiting for affordable low-cost spay and neuter programs in our area. Marami rin sa kanila ang may sakit. Some are old and some were abandoned by the people they once trusted. Pero kahit ganon, they still deserve love, care, and chance to live. To everyone who supports our journey, thank you. Every view, every like, every comments, and every kind words helps more than you know. Hindi lang ako ang tinutulungan nyo, pati ang mga pusang ito. People may see them as stray cats, but I see them as a lives worth saving. Thank you for being part of their journey.